So, hi and welcome everyone. So, I think we are live now. So, let's talk is a program which is started by Awam. Here we use every Sunday, we have some guests. We talk about our very own topic, that is autism, and our journey. Today's Let's Talk is very special as here we are talking with all the siblings, the young, the youth, the energetic one, because we are getting old. So now we will talk about all the young generation. So this way, this Let's Talk is a special one. So I welcome all the siblings here. So here our siblings is Piyush, he is brother of Puneet, Priyanka, and Priyanka, Karthik, and Jay. We all are here. Priyanka's sister's name is Dibyanka. Karthik is the brother of Shri. Jay is the brother of Veer. And both are having different age group. Okay. Like Karthik is giving his 10th, Jay is in
I am
11th.
actually I'm giving my 12th.
Ha, then
Oh,
Karthik is giving 12, sorry. And Jay is in 11th. And Priyanka and Piyush will let us know about themselves. Okay. So, first, let us start with the youngest one, with Jay. Right, Jay?
yes, sure.
Yeah. So, just give a brief introduction about yourself, like your name, your brother's name, and what are you doing? As I have already said that you are doing your 11th now. So, just a small introduction.
Yes. So my name is Jay, and I'm in the 11th grade, and I've taken up sciences. And my brother, who's 10 years old, Veer Gupta, he has autism. He was diagnosed when he was 6 years old.
Yeah, yeah. Please tell me.
Yes. And he is a very, very loving brother, and I have the best relationship with him.
So nice. So nice. We siblings have a very good relationship with our brother and sister. Tell us something about Veer. Like, how old is he? And like, how is your relationship? As we all know, we have fighting, we have love, we have caring. But tell us something about Veer.
So Veer is a very, very lovable child. Like you said, somehow we have never fighted.
That's
We've never
good.
fought.
That's good.
He always asks for my help. He wants help. I introduce him to new things, and he enjoys playing with me.
Okay.
Like I introduced him to painting, to playing sports, and he's really taken them up very well.
So you are helping a lot to Veer.
Yes, definitely,
Right?
definitely.
So,
I am helping and because he's appreciating my help. Like whenever like I take him out to the park or something, so he pulls me. He says, "Come on, bhaiya, play with me." So
that's good.
if he's asking, he's playing with me,
Hmm. So,
and he's and
yeah,
he's very very innocent. Like he doesn't want anything. He just wants love.
yeah, that's all kids. Our all kids are very innocent, right? So,
Yes.
how is it with growing up with Veer and playing with Veer, doing his activities? How you feel like?
I feel good. I'm helping my brother, but life is always not a bed of roses. There are ups and downs.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not always that everything's hunky dory, we're playing all the time. He has tantrums sometimes, he's crying, he wants something which we can't understand, but that is something we need to deal with. We try to help him, we try to understand what he's saying.
So we will come with this topic later on. Let us first introduce ourselves. So now it's about Karthik. Karthik, can you give a brief introduction about yourself, like what you are
Yeah,
doing now? Yeah,
yeah,
please.
yeah. Yeah, I am Karthik. I am brother of Sri Vignesh. Um, I am I in school in the school. My school is Silver Oaks, and now I'm studying in Fiji. I am an JE aspirant, and yeah, that is about all about me.
So how old is your, it's Sri?
He's 2 years, 2 3 years younger than me.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Karthik, the same question which I have asked to Jay, like, how is your relationship with Sri? Like growing up with him, fighting, or just caring and all?
Yeah. So actually, we never fight. We are just helping each other all the time. I help him when he has problems. Whenever he faces any difficulty in understanding, I do understand him. Likewise, he also understands me. When we don't fight for TV to see TV. He knows that I come out rarely to see TV. He gives me the chance.
So sweet.
Later,
Generally, we fought for TV only.
yeah.
Right? So sweet.
So yeah, so he's a very lovable boy. He is always in support of me, in front of my mother and father also. He prefers me more than anyone else. And yeah, he's a kind of motivation for me to stay passionate about my work.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. So now the same thing goes with Priyanka. Please give a brief introduction about yourself and about your sister Divyanka.
Sure. So before I start with my introduction, I would really like to take a moment to appreciate these young sibs I'm seeing, Jay
Yeah,
and
sure.
Karthik, because I remember when I was in 11th, I was definitely not as much involved as both of them, because I was just running in the same rat race of board exams, etc. So I think really appreciate both Jay and Karthik. Nice
We
meeting
all
you all here.
appreciate
Thank
because
you.
they are really very lovely children, Joy and uh, Karthik. Yeah, Priyanka.
Definitely. Yeah. So I did my master's in banking, and post that I'm working with a private sector bank. So in my free time, when I'm not at the office, then I'm usually my interests are in art, or I'm volunteering with NGO for different cause, not necessarily something related to the disability sector.
Yeah.
Or else sometimes I like to read books. So that's how those are my interests upon working at the bank. My sister Divyanka is 8 years younger to me. So your question, like how my relationship with her is actually very different from say Jay or Karthik, mainly because of the age gap. So it's mostly been like I've been like a second mother or a very motherly nature because of the age gap itself. So when I was in my teens, Divyanka was still a kid. So you know the relation was never about fighting about something or snatching something from her, or not like that, but it was more like, okay, how can I change her behavior in a manner which is advantageous for all of us? What else can we do? So I think we had a very motherly nature, a relationship. Sorry.
Okay, as you were 8 years elder than to Divyanka, that's why, right? So
Yeah.
now let's come to Piyush. So Piyush, tell us something about the brief introduction about yourself as well as your brother.
Yes, yes. So I'm brother of Puneet. Puneet is 2 years younger to me. He is 24 now. He has autism and severe intellectual disability. He is non-verbal. And hearing Jay and Karthik, it's totally opposite for me. हम लोगों ने बहुत लड़ाई की है. मैंने उसको बहुत चिढ़ाया है. उसने भी मेरे साथ बहुत कुछ किया है. So we were just like brothers only. Like ऐसा कभी कुछ ये नहीं आया है. And yeah, so I again I was in the same boat as Jay and Karthik are in right now. I did my engineering, and I even completed my master's in mechanical engineering in 2019 at NIT Rourkela. But I switched my fields to disability studies, and I will be joining PhD at University of Illinois at Chicago next year. So मेरा ऐसा धर्म
Great,
परिवर्तन हो गया.
congratulations.
So
Congratulations.
that is my story. Yeah.
So now let us tell us something about your brother, like how it was like as uh, you both have grown up. So how it was like growing up with him. The same I will ask to everyone. like Jay and Karthik have already said their view. Like it's very nice and they are very helping. And as it is, Veer and Shri are very lovable kid, and they used to cooperate and they used to love their brother. So as you said that your is brother fighting and all.
Yeah.
So how it is at that time, because Puneet was 24 years old. So at that
Yeah.
time, there is very less awareness at that time. So how it was growing up with you?
Yeah, so we have lived in Indore, Jabalpur, and Nagpur. So the early years we were in Indore and Jabalpur. And yeah, as you said that there were less facilities there. And Nagpur was definitely much better in both awareness and facilities.
Okay,
So when I was 10 and he was 8, we came to Nagpur. And
okay,
since then, that time we are in Nagpur only. So yeah, so it definitely depends on the city and the awareness level and the facilities जो है उस city में. And growing up with him, yeah, it was a mixed bag again, as Jay said, and there were ups and downs. Mostly the period of puberty was particularly very challenging. As in, I was in my 10th standard then. I was giving boards, and Puneet was not sleeping like because of hormonal changes and all. So
hmm,
he was not sleeping and all. So that period was very challenging. But what we did was in our family, we that also became his learning period. He came into arts and craft at that moment. मतलब
okay,
काम करना सीख लिया उसने. And my mother knows art, so he and she together they used to make pen stands and all. And हम लोगों ने फिर exhibitions भी रखे थे उसके and all. So he developed a sense of doing work in that period, the
in
puberty
that
time.
period. Okay,
Yeah, so we kind of took it in a very gladly. It happened कि वो अच्छे दिशा में channelized हो गया that particular thing.
here I just
And
want to interrupt here, Piyush. Like at that time, as it's very like at that time, how was the awareness in Nagpur also? Like how was
yeah.
people? Are they know that okay, this is autism and all? What are the challenges we need to face?
Yeah, नागपुर में है. Yes, it's there.
Okay,
Like even if autism पता नहीं होगा, but they know that
you know,
this is a person with intellectual disability.
okay,
And it is right now I don't know the situation in Indore and Jabalpur, but जब हम थे तो it was a little less, मतलब वहाँ पे कम awareness थी.
hmm.
So that was there. So Nagpur is much better.
The
Yes.
same thing goes with Priyanka. Like, how was the situation at that time? Like, are the people aware of how what are the hurdles you have come across, like during that time? Because it's like there are very less awareness at that time, right?
True. So when my parents understood that Divya had some difficulty, it was only when she went to the school, because at when they start enrolled her for nursery, etc. At that level, you tend to notice all the developmental delays, and that's when it will at least strike you that there is something wrong with your child. Else, it's very difficult to identify something like autism.
Yeah.
So it was the first time we got to know, but. Clinicians would guide us on very technical terms like this: you have to go and do this test, that test, and but if you talk about the general public reaction, then it would be like, oh, okay, she has this issue, okay, don't worry, it will get cured. I have heard this word so many times. अरे कोई नहीं, थोड़े थोड़े साल बाद ठीक हो जाएगी. I also had a relative son like this. He also used to not speak, and then now he started speaking. So we've heard all these anecdotes and short stories from different, like our neighbors, relatives. Everyone has this hope that it will get cured, but I realized that that actually adds additional pressure to parents, because firstly they're trying to understand what is the diagnosis, because this child has come into their life 25, 30 years later. So they have to also have the strength to understand what is wrong or what is the diagnosis. So there's a lot of, and it was also difficult to find the right practitioner, I mean, like the doctor or therapist, because again, it's a spectrum, or there is nothing like each child is same. So even if say Puneet goes or Divyanka goes, it'll be the same treatment. So
Yeah, that's
that was
correct.
the
Yeah.
second difficulty. So I mean, in terms of people's reaction and how the doctors treated us, I think it was North Pole and South Pole, where one told us that this is a lifelong condition, nothing can be done, it's only therapies and constant, like home programs, etc., which can help you out. And the general public was of the opinion कि नहीं नहीं ये तो ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं है, 2-3 साल बाद she'll be all fine. So I have faced extremes.
So Priyanka, what was your reaction at that time? As you were 8 years older at that time, so you might be knowing that what is going on. My parents are stressed, and lots of things were happening at the time at your home, right? So how was your reaction?
So actually, I started realizing, this issue started pinching me more because I was in school, we used to have these parent-teacher meetings and my sister used to come along. And that's when my friends would also observe that something is different with your sister. They would come and say hi, but she would never say hi. She would never respond or react. And that's when it started pinching me. And that's when I realized that, okay, first thing, she has a speech difficulty. And probably that's why my parents are going to like a practitioner or a doctor to understand what is wrong with her. But I was of the opinion that they are taking treatment for speech difficulties, and therefore this will again be all right over a period of time, because that's what I kept hearing.
How was your reaction when if everyone is telling, like we generally kids grow up with friends. So when if your friends will say something for Divyanka, like anything, like
yeah, so that is what I mentioned, that because I heard all these comments from my friends also, so I could understand and I explained to people that she has a speech difficulty, not autism. I didn't use the word autism because it took me 1-2 years later on to understand that, okay, it's not a speech difficulty. She's actually diagnosed in the autism spectrum, and to understand the whole diagnosis it took me 2 years. But initially what I explained to people was that she faced a speech difficulty and there is a delay in speech. So that is how I reacted to it first. I did not have a negative reaction to it, but I understood the diagnosis a bit later on. That is what.
that happens with all everyone. Like we generally need to know like what exactly it is. But we are blessed that for Jai and Karthik, everyone is now aware of autism. So, and Jai has found one very good website also to help the uh, parents to know that to create awareness. So, Jai, tell us something about the website.
So I created the portal when I was talking to my friends. I found out that although they know the word autism, they don't know the true meaning behind it.
Yeah, that is what I was about to ask. That
They know that it is some condition, but they don't know how to react to a person who has autism. What can you do to make their life better, to make it easier for them to do a certain task if you meet a person who has autism in public? So when I saw that, then I thought that I should create something which spreads autism awareness. And
that's
that is the
very
sole
nice.
purpose
That's
why I
very
created the
nice. At
website.
this age, if you think of something like that, then very nice. So I just want to just ask you, not just ask, just want to add you that, like you said, that friends' reactions differ, right? So
Yes.
how is your reaction if your friend sometimes like they are of different thing, like they will not understand like what is autism and all. So what is your reaction if any friend tell something about autism or something about other kids?
At first, when I was younger, when somebody used to say like somebody with autism
You are
is
now also younger, okay. Yeah,
he can't do this, he can't do that. I used to get annoyed that he doesn't really understand that. But later on, then I realized that they don't actually know what autism is. So how can I expect them to already react to a person who has autism in a certain way?
that's very nice, Jay. At this age, you are thinking like this. It's very nice. So, Karthik, I just want to know about your reaction, like your friend's reaction about your brother and all.
Yeah, so actually, I always loved my brother, so I didn't care however he was. I just loved him. So,
Oh,
and coming to friends, my friends have seen him grow since when he was growing since small, so they know everything about him. Whenever my friends used to come to my home to watch movies or play games, we used to include him also sometimes to play with us. So we never had a problem as such. Nobody commented as such. I didn't have such problems. I used to tell them what is the problem. I used to tell them his learning was little slow, but he's good enough. So they understood and they also cooperated with me. I'm fortunate for that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I will add here that yes, we all are fortunate to have you all as our kids now, who can understand, who can do a lot of things for this world. So I want to know with Pius, right? That as the equation varies and like you grew up, so how was the phase like growing up with your brother?
Like from my childhood only, I remember I used to go with him in the therapy sessions. I was very much interested in that. And my mother says that I also used to attend the workshops and all. पता नहीं कहाँ से interest था, but I used to attend that also. And yeah, so till we were 10, this was the scene कि therapy में जाना, and he is in a very good school in Nagpur, so that helped a lot. And then yeah, it has been good only. It has been a very good journey. So generally, the thing is, siblings are seen in a very negative light. Like it is out there ki they are facing a lot of challenges. But at the same time, we don't talk about the pluses we all have as siblings, and we always focus on the minuses. So I would like to stress that there are more pluses. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एकदम ही कुछ हो गया है and all, which is out there in the public. So it has been good. And yeah, so now when he's 24, currently what eats my brain is future planning, like what after my parents, or what after me, or like how will I manage. So same with Priyanka, like we think more about that कि अभी इसके बाद क्या, what about future planning. So that is the thing. Yeah.
We will discuss about it in our series. Next question. I just want to ask Jay and Karthik both that like you can discuss with us about like you said the plus point and what works with you and what doesn't works with you now as you are young. So we can discuss and then we will come with Priyanka also. So, Jay, can you please tell the viewer that what works with you?
Okay, so when you see something like there are pluses and minuses, I would say that there's only pluses. Like it's how you see the challenge. If you take it in a good way, then you're actually benefiting it from it only. Like for example, if my brother is facing a challenge, I'm trying to help him in a certain way. Even I'm learning. For example,
That's
he
good.
was having difficulty in painting. Even though he takes art classes, I tried to help him while he was painting. So in that, I looked up on the net how do you paint, what kind of strokes do you make. So in that I learned. So it's how you take the challenge. So I benefited from that. I learned more about art.
And what did not work? Like if you have tried something, but still you feel that, okay, this is like as parents, we know like what will work and what will not work, right?
So Veer, he has certain tastes. He likes certain foods and he doesn't like certain foods. For example, I might like something like I like mangoes, but he will not try mangoes at all.
That
So
is with all most of the kids at home, right? So the
yes.
taste and everything varies. It's okay. It's okay.
So these are challenges which come and go and it's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, Karthik.
Yeah.
So what worked with you and Shri?
Yeah. So I will say we just have a lot of fun time. We play with each other a lot. and it's quarantine also, so I don't have much work except for playing with him a lot.
That's
Yeah, I like to play with him a lot.
that is a plus point for Shri to
Yeah.
be with his brother in this lockdown, right?
He always cooperates. He plays with me all the time. We don't fight for food actually because we have plenty enough in our house. My mother makes a lot anyway.
Yeah,
So
that I know.
the only minus point I think is when he gets panic attacks. Like he doesn't understand. He goes aggressive.
Hmm.
So I have to kind of control him, like not to prevent him attacking, hitting someone or
So
something.
how you try to deal with those panic attacks?
So I will just sit beside him, catch his hand, and say him to cool down. For some time, I'll keep him with me. He'll cool down. He'll cool down eventually. Slowly, he'll go down. I know it's a problem, but we have to take it always in a positive
But
way.
you know how to make him cool down. That's a good point. That's a good thing. Generally, siblings, they know that sibling parents, they know how to make their brother, how to make the kids cool down. Yeah,
Yeah.
Priyanka. So, the same thing goes for you. Uh, what works with Divyanka? Like, you know those things.
Yeah, so I mean, after hearing Piyush, Jay, and Karthik, I feel that we have all come to a stage that we are able to point out what works and what doesn't, because I mean, the journey is something which we have all worked on. It's like an ongoing process. I don't think any of us directly just accepted them as is and said, okay, they have so much potential. I'm proud of them. I mean, this is a very good journey. As Piyush said, this journey is, I mean, it's a rocky road that we are all, I think all of us present here should give a pat on our back, because it has been a very dynamic journey for all of us.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
what works with Divya is, so she does not like me to teach, I mean, do very serious things with her, like teach her academics or all those things. So I usually engage with her in by doing art or taking her out for a walk, or I'm just doing all these silly sibling,
See, here I just interrupt
related.
because, as you said, Divyanka doesn't want that you will be her teacher. Generally, all siblings, they doesn't
Definitely.
want that their brother or sister will be their teacher. They want them as their friend only. Already, mummy se sun rahe hai na, so
Yeah.
now mother is the teacher. Let her be. Sisters and
Yeah.
brothers will be friends.
Yeah, so that way I think most of our siblings, although they're different, I mean, intellectually disabled, but they are very clear as to whom to approach for what in the family. And I think I observed this with all other sibling players also. I'm sure Piyush, Jay, and Karthik will agree that their brother or sister will definitely know, mummy ke paas jaunga to kya milega mereko. If I'm with Piyush, what will I get? And if I'm with dad, what will I get? So that way even
I
we
think,
also
Priyanka,
know.
there is
So with
some
me,
network.
she always.
I think, Priyanka, there is some network issues with your end. Your voice is
Okay.
not audible. Yeah, so
I'm,
yeah, so now for Piyush and Priyanka both, as you know, as a parent, we have come across many questions like they want a sibling to take care of the other one. Okay, who is the special kid. So what are your views and in this uh, question, is sibling is required only to take care of the other special kid?
No,
No, correct,
no.
exactly.
Sibling have their own life also, and we do have, like, the siblings who are very helpful. Like, we are all here, we are all attached to our siblings. That's there,
That's
but
obviously that will be there.
that will be
Personally, what
there.
when attached,
And
right?
we do have a guilt. We sometimes also have a guilt ki अरे यार, if I go to study 6 साल के लिए, so how will my parents manage and all? I will not be there, so something like that. But at the same time, we should also think that it is okay to go. it is okay to study or take that job or go there, and whenever time comes we can come back, like whenever the responsibility comes, such something like that. So yeah, so like I don't think the second or the first child or the other child should be solely for the caregiving thing. We are all caregivers by default only, and we are not like we will be there. But we should also, at Sarthi also, we have been trying to put this idea into brains of all the siblings ki it is okay to do your thing and be there for a sibling
Yeah,
both.
like we used to tell
Yeah.
the parents that it is okay, don't feel guilty. That if you are not doing something, then don't feel guilty. It's okay to be there. So that's the thing, like it's okay. Even if you are a brother and sister of a special needs kid, it's okay to have your life own, right? So, Priyanka, what are your views regarding this?
So I've had like an open conversation about this with my parents. So what I understand is that they have mixed feelings. Okay, so it's like they're guilty also that I have to now be there for my sister and I have to be support her. At the same time, there's pressure and worry that how I am going to live my life. When will I settle down? When will I complete my education? So they're actually handling both. They want me to be there for her also, they want me to settle down in my life also, so it's like walking a tightrope. And I won't really blame them if they have expectations from me to be there for my sister, because deep down they're worried, like how can, and being a girl child, Divyanka, like who will we leave her with at the end of the day? It's only me, right? Like because she's comfortable with me. So it's not completely wrong for them to have such expectations, but at the same time, they should also not force the sibling. Like it should come
Hmm.
naturally.
Hmm.
The
Naturally.
sibling should warm up and support the disabled sibling naturally. It should not be done forcefully.
Yeah, that's true. That I understand. That yeah, generally. So I just want to all of you. This is a open query. Like how the parents will like educate. Like Jay and Karthik are so good at this young age. They are doing a lot of things. Like right. So how they will educate the other kids to like to understand, to create awareness, and so that like Jay, like what Jay is doing now, Karthik is also doing with his friends. Like how they will train him. Like suppose the kid is 5 years old, so how to educate them, the sibling, how to educate the sibling especially for the awareness.
I
Yeah,
I
Piyush.
think I think the first thing is acceptability. Like it's going from 0 to 1, and generally in many families it is the mother who accepts, and the rest of the family members are matlab, they don't accept that much. But once the acceptance level is at the family level, and when everybody works towards the betterment of our siblings, then I think that it will percolate to sibling naturally, and not then you don't have to tell कि अरे भाई है या बहन है, यू शुड लुक आफ्टर, या ये ऐसा करो वैसा करो, इंस्ट्रक्शंस वे में नहीं जाके इट विल बी अ नेचुरल वे. That is what I think. Yeah.
Yeah, so Priyanka, your opinion?
Yeah, so many times actually it's difficult for the parent to kind of build this acceptance, because the peer group of their typical child is mostly their school friends or college friends. So what they hear from their mom and dad might not actually sink in, because so what might help is for them to interact with similar, like like interacting with, see, interacting for me, interacting with Piyush or siblings like us help me a lot, because they share similar concerns. So when we all like interact usually through Sarthi, etc., so we are able to relate, and it builds resilience and acceptance automatically. So probably parents, they can connect their children with other families who have a similar setup, so that they can easily learn how to build that acceptance and resilience.
Yeah, so Jay and Karthik, what are your views?
So I agree with Piyush. Like my mom was first to accept when my brother was diagnosed, and my mother first told me that my brother has a problem. I really didn't understand at first that what the problem was, but slowly, like when I saw him, my mom talking to I heard my mom talking to her friends, telling her, my dad and my mom talking. I slowly understood. I understood myself. They didn't
That's so nice. Yeah.
give me so much information at once. They told me in short bursts that this is there, you have to do this, you can help him by if you take him out for a walk, you do this with him, and I slowly understood.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. So basically, the mom need to educate the other siblings to how to work with the special
I would
needs
add
child.
father also, not only mom
Yes,
but father
Yeah,
yes.
also.
that's true. Everyone.
Mother कितना करेंगे? Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, Karthik, your views and opinion?
Yeah, I would also say it's all about acceptance. The thing is, my love for my brother is a lot, so I don't care even if he has problems. So he's just my brother. I have to take care of him. It's my responsibility.
So other
I don't
siblings.
care even if he has a problem.
So what are your advice for the younger siblings who are younger, like 5, 6 years old or 7 years old? They don't. They obviously they will not follow our advice. But in a long run, how? What you want to tell them?
I will say them, treat them as your friend rather than taking them as your burden.
Exactly. Very nice. Very nice.
And yeah, they will also cooperate with you. They are also human beings, right? So they'll be friendly with you. The
Correct.
way you be, the way they will be with you. It's all on you. It's basically. And yeah, obviously these changes will happen naturally as we grow up. We gain maturity and we'll understand it and we'll accept it also.
Yeah. Very nice. So Piyush and Priyanka, this is for you as you guys are adults. So how you guys are thinking for to spread autism awareness in this society where most of the people are really unaware of all these things and like how you will contribute to this society uh, in autism in creating an awareness.
प्रियंका बोल.
Okay, so I faced this incident recently. So my sister makes these handmade pouches and bags and all, and we went to a mall to put up a stall, and we were expecting the general public. This was on World Autism Day, a day where you actually spread awareness about
Awareness, yeah.
autism. And I heard a couple pass by, and one of them said, "Let us stop by to see the stall," and the other person said that अरे इसमें लिखा है ऑटिज्म पर हमें तो ऑटिज्म है ही नहीं तो इसमें क्यों रुकना है चलो यहाँ चलते हैं. So that very thought is what we have to tap on,
Yes,
that it is not about whether we have an intellectual disability or you have someone with an intellectual disability in the family. It is about, have you even put efforts to understand what is it, because you
exactly.
all as a society have to start making this place livable for them. No, it's not only me or my mom or my dad who has to work towards it.
That's
My
true.
neighbor, my society, everyone has to work towards it. So this attitude has to change, and for that I make an effort to, at a personal level, I make an effort to talk to my friends. I do some small surveys and try to find out, okay, do you know about autism? Okay, if you don't know, then read
Hmm,
about this. Or I make certain videos about scenarios, like if someone comes home, how to behave with them.
hmm,
When you meet an autistic person at a restaurant, how do you behave with them? So I make such small videos at a personal effort basis.
hmm.
So this is how I go about spreading awareness.
So how about views?
Yeah, so we started Sarthi on World Autism Day. That was April 2nd. So वही दिन हमने choose किया. And our first video was regarding this only. कि how do we feel as a sibling, like of a child, of a person with autism. So yeah, I think my brain goes more towards the caregiving community, as in mostly the siblings. And but I would like to add here that there is also awareness needed in the doctors community
Exactly.
for yeah, because even they have done, they are doctors, agreed, but most of them agree that they don't know how to deal with individuals with IDD, and there should be work done in this front. And like I'll try to work in future in this front. And yeah, so whatever I've been doing, it is currently through Sarthi, and my next education, like PhD in disability studies, then I'll be working in residential systems for autistic adults.
You two are
So
working a lot. You two are
so
like, yeah.
so yeah, so like I feel for both, like I also want to work for caregiving community and spreading awareness, but spreading awareness in the adult front, like when we talk about sex education or sexual concerns or health disparities or residential things. So I'm more interested in that, and I'll try to do my best.
So Jay and Karthik, what do you want to do? First, your ambition. Okay. Then we will talk about like anything about disability sector or anything. Jay, what is your ambition? Like what you want to be?
So I've always wanted to be an engineer, go into sciences, do something.
Okay.
But I've always felt that I need to do something in the disability sector as
You
well.
have already started at this young age.
That is just a small contribution. That is something I can do at
You
this
know, the
time, so
moon
I'm trying
will
to do
sagar
it.
banta hai. The small contribution will create a lot of awareness.
I hope it will. But in the future, I hope I do something in the disability sector. I definitely want to be associated with it.
So nice, so nice. Karthik, what is your ambition? First, your ambition. Then we will talk
Yeah,
about disability
yeah.
sector.
My ambition is to an engineer. I want to take up the computer science stream.
Everyone will follow the fuse footsteps. Fuse and Priyanka.
Yeah.
No, engineering is
So,
better. Yeah, sorry.
so I think actually I already have a lot of friends in my reach. So I think almost in my area, all of them know about my brother,
Yeah,
because most of them play with me. I mean, in my whole area, most of them know me. Most of them play with me. So whenever they visit my home for a party or something, they'll see
so
my
you,
brother and eventually
like
ask me.
being an engineer in future, your contribution towards the society, you want to do something.
Yeah, yeah. As I told, I'm taking up computer science stream. Actually, I don't have no knowledge about developing websites like Jay did.
Okay, we will have. In the
Yeah,
future, you will
yeah. Then
create.
when I'll get, yeah, I will make use of the
As,
opportunity to
as
spread.
Piyush Bhaiya will there to help you, will guide you. Thank you so much, Piyush, Jay, Priyanka, and Karthik for being in this show. I will wrap up this with one common thing which I want to ask to Piyush and Priyanka. Like, as you all are doing a lot in this sector also, like sibling awareness and all, what are the challenges you are facing, like till date?
So I think one challenge would be that even though we are trying to reach out to them and we are trying to create awareness, there is somewhere a resistance to share incidents or experiences that one has faced. So we
Yeah,
cannot
that
really.
we are also facing, that parents are also
Exactly.
facing.
So, because of that, you cannot really design solutions or you cannot really go to the root of the problem, because somewhere everyone wants to say that, oh, my journey is very good, my sibling is very nice, everything is rosy, but no one wants to accept the ground reality. Until the time that doesn't happen, awareness, we cannot build awareness beyond a point. It will be very superficial then.
Yeah. So, I want to know here, like, Piyush, as you have started Sati, have you come across any incident like siblings, they don't want, like, they don't want to open up, like, why me? YB concept generally comes with the parents, but is it any sibling have discussed or shared with you about negative opinion? Like everyone will say positive only, like
Yeah,
off camera or anything.
yeah.
Uh, yeah.
So at Sarthi, we did a activity known as Blurt It Out. Therein there were I think 6 to 7 episodes wherein we all talked about the psychological problems we faced and how we overcame that.
Hmm.
Like I told about my social disconnect. Like I didn't like, I don't like parties now also. I didn't used to go to parties and all. And somebody talked about puberty. Like Priyanka talked about how differently she was treated, and she and Divyanka were treated during their puberty and all.
Hmm.
So that we did. So we were actually scared to do this because पता नहीं कि लोग बोलेंगे या नहीं बोलेंगे and all. But people said, and we are very thankful to them. And ऐसे ही we are trying to make the siblings more open. Talking about, आप जो पूछ रहे हैं कि किसी sibling ने बोला है क्या कि why me, yeah, like their parents have said me कि you are all doing, but इसका क्या, she is not interested at all, तो इसका क्या करूं मैं. So currently we don't have the answer to that, but we'll be definitely working with you in the coming year to work
That's definitely.
on this
That's
topic.
definitely.
Yeah, yeah,
That's definitely, and thank you so much, Jay, Karthik, Pius, and Priyanka for being a part in this Let's Talk, where we discussed a lot about our siblings. Like, yes, there is certain problem, but if we will together, if we can handle it together, if we can work with it, like Karthik said, that he never felt like Sri is a problem or Sri is doing something annoying. Like Sri is, we love him, and bus, that's the way. Just the thing is, like Jai said, the we loves me. That's the thing. That's और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Right. So thank you so much for being a part in this Let's Talk, and might this will help to other siblings who will come out. And I just want to say here to end up this conversation, just yes, love your brother and sister, whoever they are. Love your brother and sister, and best wishes for all of you for your bright future, as well as Jay and Karthik, BA engineer, and follow views from here. I'm just